Hello, I'm Eric from Bosch, and we're outside. I would like to show you the AQT 3512 Bosch high pressure washer. This product is very compact, as you can see, and it's designed to fit into the tightest spaces under shelves in your garage. On the back here you can see there's a fold-up handle that allows you to manoeuvre the thing around to where you want to work with it. Ideal for washing patios, block paving, this sort of stuff. If we just flip the machine round, you can have a look at the back. We've got cable storage there, an SDS type fitting for the hose. I'll show you how that's all hooked up in a moment. And this little spout here allows you to take up detergent. If you're using a washing agent for cleaning patios, for example, you can just dip this into a container of the appropriate detergent, and it adds that to the wash as well and tucks away in here when you're not using it. So very well thought out design. You can see the high pressure hose is stowed away in the handle at the top. So the high pressure hose is fitted simply by plugging it into the connection on the back. It's SDS, and to release it again for when you're stowing the unit, just push this red tab in and the hose comes out. Couldn't be simpler. Around the front we have the connection for the water supply. You'll see that this has a transparent filter, and this keeps out any impurities or little bits of grit that might be in your garden hose. And this connects directly onto the standard quick fit hose connection very easily. On-off switch at the front here. This one has a 1500 watt motor with 350 litres per hour water consumption and 120 bar of pressure, so that will handle most cleaning tasks around the home. The business end of the high pressure hose is of course the lance and the trigger, so always a space to stow this. We've got the trigger unit here, which is on the side here, out of the way when you're not using it. Again, you have a simple connection in the bottom here, just like on the other end of the hose, so you simply plug it in. So that's your hose, your trigger unit connected rather, and then we have an SDS bayonet type fixing here. So literally in seconds you've got the lance attached, and then finally you've got a 3-mode nozzle here which goes in the end. We'll see that when we try it out in a moment. So that just clicks into place, and you're ready to rock and roll. Literally in under a minute, straight out of the box, straight off the shelf, you're ready to go with this pressure washer. Okay, just a couple of points on the lance and the nozzle. The lance can actually be rotated here, which is particularly useful if you're using a fan spray, so you can adjust the angle of the fan. That's a one-way sort of ratchet device you can hear clicking like this. It's a 3-mode nozzle, so we have one mode is actually a low pressure mode, which allows you just to spread the detergent or the cleaning agent onto the patio, or maybe on the car if you're using a car. And then we can turn it to the next mode, which is actually a rotary mode. There's a rotating nozzle there, which is quite an aggressive dirt removing mode, very good for block paving and patios. And then as you switch it further to the 3rd mode, we have the standard fan spray, which is quite useful once you've treated a car and got that dirt moving, for removing the suds and getting the cleanliness that you're expecting from a pressure washer there. So 3 modes in one, very easy to live with, and we can demonstrate those.